Okay guys, I'm going to be drawing a fish today. So, it took me a little bit, but I think I'm going to be able to do it. So, you're going to want to do this. See, we're going to be drawing like a little cartoon fish. See? So, you're going to draw a big eyeball. And then you're going to want to draw a little pupil, like a big thing. And then you're going to want to draw a smaller one inside of it. And then you're going to want to draw a big circle and a little one. And you're going to want to color that in that circle. And you're going to draw up like that. 2 little fins. Then you can put like little details on it. Like maybe some little details. This is its mouth. You're gonna want to get your coloring. What color you're gonna color it. I'm gonna color mine green because my favorite color is green. So the tail of it, the fins are gonna be green actually. So whatever color, but I'm gonna get blue out. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm putting my arm in your way, but I had to get my green. And you're gonna do green. You can color like red and green or whatever colors you want, really. So, yeah, you can do pink and black, you can do pink and blue, you can do any colors you want. But this is the color of fish I'm doing. It's gonna be a little cartoon fish. Maybe like a little clown fish or something, I don't know. And this is my first video, so can we get 30 likes? That's all I'm asking for. Now you can get red out. So I'm gonna get red and color this red. And then you can get add little bubbles. The bubbles can be coming up out of these if you want them to. There. So, there you go, guys. There's my fish. Bye.